ka jing up miet ka bakerpang ya snem thymmai ka balapan long da ka forever yang ha ka lightweight rig kuno pra arjar arpsan kalapan long ya ka midnight swim kumba live arngut ki bawan bani simbenta ka crinoline swimming pool ha ka ba kendai ton thah ke la theh ha ka ne ka kani ka jing up miet ka bala sedang nadu snem khat khanai spa khanai punyo kadang beteng hadu menta bat haman lau snem kidon ke bajuan bani simbenta bat banwan lek men snem thymmai ha kani ka jaka jngi.
At the outset, I would like to wish each and everyone a very happy New Year and God bless us good health. This is my first experience taking a dip, this midnight dip. It is a wonderful experience and I will request all to participate in the coming years. It is a very good experience for us here, especially for me. I have been swimming for the last 7 to 8 months and it is a great achievement for me to take a dip at midnight. Thank you, all the best.
28th year of the midnight swim. So altogether there are plus participants, both men and women. So this year you see there are more swimmers, and now there are more boys also, girls also who join us for the swimming, and yeah. This year, and the objective is very simple. You see, we want to welcome the new year from the very second of the new year with a prayer to God to help us face the challenges of the new year. Because I think all of us, we have different challenges in our own personal life, you know. So we want to start the new year through a challenge. That is by diving into an ice cold pool with 9 tons of ice. But it is mandatory that all who participate must not take any kind of intoxicants. They must be sober so that they can really experience the challenge of the event. So this is the main objective of the event.